up, guys? We're here doing a BC coil install on my 2006 Mini Cooper. Alright, this is the BC coils, and then got some tools out. Thanks to Steven for using his place.
You want to buy with $5 right here?
$5, guys.
I sell to you.
Alright, so we were able to take off the fronts for now. Fronts off. There's the front and shocks and springs. Alright, we got the first coil in. And then, yeah. Alright, so we got the rear shock out and springs. Ran into a little issue because the BC coils didn't use an extender for the Mini, and so we end up tapping a little hole that goes down there. Had to take out pretty much the whole side, and then see the hole right there, and we're good. Just gotta do the sway bar and upgrade it to a white line 20mm sway bar. So the views. Taking a break right now. Got some Thai food.
It's fun
time.
time.
Alright, so I just drilled this hole right here, and then used this head. Went like about this far deep, and then to get that way. This extender right here, it's gonna go through the bottom of the car, but just to test fit it right there, see? And then that's pretty much it. Right, we just got the rear sway bar out. This thing is 17mm and this is a 20mm. Kind of actually a big difference on the car. Alright, little update, guys. Finally just got the rear coilovers in and the rear sway bar. Fucking had to drill over here the hole to get that little extension for the damper setting, and then I just put back the first body panel. Now I'm doing second one, and then that's pretty much it. Alright, we finished with everything. The ride height's pretty high, but I'm going to alignment shop to get a corner balance and a ride height adjustment. So yeah.